muscle, man. There ain't no room in here for metric shit.
Here we are back at Camp David. We got the lawnmower here, just got it off the truck. There's a couple things that we need to tackle first. Passenger side tire came off the bead, so we gotta pop that back on. They're dry rotted all to hell. So I bought some slime. We're gonna throw it in there, see if it takes. Hopefully it does. I'm not trying to put a lot of money into this thing. So let's get going. Here we are back. We got the weed eater, debating on the name of that. And keep it green and call it the booger eater. So this is what we're working with now. We've got to get this tire back on there. That one's low on air too. Put some slime in there, see if she'll work. Least amount of money spent, the better.
Well, least amount of disappointments.
It's definitely dry rotted. You can tell here I got a pretty good rip. We are gonna attempt to pop this back on the bead and then deflate it. We got some slime here we're gonna throw in there.
So you're gonna see if he's got some pulleys for us.
Fuck yeah.
Cool. Donations welcome.
Yep.
Yeah, just kind of pull it a little bit just to make sure. Yep. There we go. I'd split that shit in half.
Split it.
I don't fucking know.
The green stuff. Gage Tire Service.
Yep. You pop them, we swap them.
No. 400 PSI.
Good experiment, see how far we can go.
Quickly show you the bottle here. Car slash trailer. You know, it's got a picture of a scooter on there, motorcycle, car, trailer. So, all right. Well, the wheels have the slime in them. We're gonna wait for the slime to harden or find all the leaks. We're gonna drop this deck. Deck is out. And like I said in the previous video, that adds 15 horsepower. Now I need to really go over some of the specs of this booger eater. She got the old Briggs and Stratton in her, boys. 12.5 horsepower of get shit done. All right, we're still waiting for the slime to activate. And then the mower deck is out. There we go. Just came up with a brilliant idea. New shifter knobs.
Gotta have a hand like Andre the Giant in order to use it, but maybe I can find some from a small engine that might have.
Quick shit. Let us know if you want us to use a permanent marker to say quick as shit or leave it quick shit.
Yeah, she looks quick as shit.
Quick as shit. Leave a comment. Let us know if that's a good name for it. Or I came up with booger eater. But I don't know if I'm keeping it green. Or quick shit. That's a good one. Any more you can think of, Dave?
Yeah, that's all I could think of. Oh.
Alright, the slime probably had enough time to sit. Now it's time to take her for a test drive without the deck on. Alright, just dropped my grandma off to a doctor's appointment. Let's go back, get the GoPro headband on, and open up my speedometer app. Throw that lawnmower in all the way RPM, fast mode. Put her in the catch-up, and let's see how stock pulleys, how fast I can go on the lawnmower with stock pulleys. She's just a little too gone.
So how fast did it go?
4. Yeah. How disappointing. 4.
I
Give me a
figured
break.
It was probably only 2, so it did twice as well as I thought.
All right, brought her for a test drive, and the tire didn't hold. Hey, it was worth the shot. This side. Oh, man.
I didn't put a lot of air in them either.
I don't know. I think that one's holding. That one's good. Front tires are good. Just got to work on either getting a replacement for this side or getting
tire size from Osborne's got everything.
exhaust. Yep, we got the took the exhaust off. We're probably not going to run the muffler. We're going to trim her off right about here and there. Reverse the pipe and have it come out the side of the mower. Check the air filter. She seems all right. Oil. She's got some gas in her.
Yeah.
Somebody flooded her out. Got the hood out, doing some repairs. Quick shit. Take 1. No muffler.
Got a little fire. Race ready.
No exhaust, speed test. What do you think you're doing? You gonna race me? No exhaust. Maybe it's out of gas.
I can see it at gas. Maybe without that muffler, it just won't run.
Yep, maybe. Huh? Nah, he didn't have one. Yeah, I think without the muffler, it might have to run on choke, but then it stalls as soon as I go to take off. Exhaust is ran. Let's fire her up, see how she sounds. I don't like it.
Too quiet?
Too quiet now. Might have to straight pipe her, no muffler.
Yeah. Might have to put stacks on it.
But that really quieted her down, just that little
Yeah.
muffler. I'm gonna pull that thing off and give another video clip of just the straight pipe. Shit. Thinking I like that more.
Yeah, well, that's straight pipe it.
Scratch the idea of the muffler. Too quiet. Look good though. Forgot to show you before we end this video the update on the seat. We did what any other person would do. We don't need a new one. Duct tape. Solid.
Yep, sure.
If you were to guess, how fast do you think she'll go? Right now it's about 4, sometimes 5 miles per hour.
Oh, but shooting for 15.
By the way, at Camp David, we're now selling mower decks. Let us know if you need it. Or want to buy it.
Or trade for beer.
Or trade for beer. Beer and gas. We're pretty simple around here.
Maybe a quart of oil.
Stay tuned for the next video. We swapped those pulleys. Till the next one. And as always, remember to like, share, subscribe to Kamp David. Head right on over to YouTube. It's simple. Click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Till next time, we'll see you.